Oh, it's good. Tastes good.
My tourists.
So we're eating breakfast at Breaking Bread. What do you think about Tamarindo so far?
It's nice for a couple days.
Oh. Thank you.
We're missing the eggs.
Oh.
The Kickstarter. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice shot. So first we got some immunity shots and a smoothie. Still gotta get our coffee. I can't?
Drink it fast.
Ooh.
Ginger.
Lots of ginger. Nordico is legit because there's a lot of variety in what they offer. So you can get something really sweet with no problem. Some places don't use sugar in their coffee, but I like the sweet stuff. I just want to show you what I just discovered. So, perfect. Okay, so let me show you guys. Oh, there we go. My ponytail, right? Let me show you. And if you have hair like me, you're gonna want to know this trick. But if you go to any market or the supermarket and you get one of these, the aloe vera plant, let me show you. See how thick that is? That is some good stuff. So I put this on my leg because, as you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but I have a bunch of bug bites. I use this for my face, my sunburn, and my hair as hair gel. And I just cut it open, and I literally just like, and I cut it open like this, right? And then I cut it in half. Look at that juice there. Look how thick and beautiful. Cut it like this. And then I put a couple creases in there so I get all that juice. So I'm gonna take this aloe. No, people don't know.
I'm not gonna put this on here.
Look at the slick. It's my edges, right? And the kitchen.
And so, you can also take it for your face.
So,
Spicy or regular?
Spicy.
let me see it. Okay. Nice.
Tastes spicy now. And the plantain.
I don't like the beans.
You don't?
No, but it's because I'm used to like barbecue flavored beans. They're good, they're just not the flavor I prefer. Walk and roll. Walk and roll. Tamarindo.
Brandon. Wipe down. Dude, you got me excited now.
Well, first of all, the drink was amazing. Which drink was it?
Thankful to have. Good thing I shared.
What did we get? A watermelon?
This is basically lemonade. That's watermelon. How's yours?
Good.
You gonna like that better? Not a bad choice. This isn't like right now.
Really?
Kidding.
What's this place called?
Falafel bar.
Oh, I can eat that whole bowl by myself. The hummus is amazing. The chicken is great. These flies are killing me. They're everywhere. Time to eat. After a 2 pina colada drink. Sleep good tonight. We got 2 for $5. Everyone's out here hustling, and I'm a hustler too. So 2 for $4,000, which is $5. Okay. Coconut and rum on the beach. You know, there's gonna be a time where I'm gonna be so sad I'm not here anymore. But until then, enjoying every second